Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to bypass forgotten PIN on the Huawei Band 10. Now, if you have forgotten the PIN on your Huawei Band 10, there is no officially supported solution to bypass the forgotten PIN. The only solution to remove the forgotten PIN on your Huawei Band 10 is to perform a hard reset on your Huawei Band 10. Now, to do that, just enter the incorrect PIN 5 times in a row and it will give you the option to reset your Huawei Band 10. Now let's do this. Now just enter the wrong PIN just 2 more times. Now as you can see, it gave us the option to hard reset our Huawei Band 10. Now just tap on reset and select done. Now just select English. Now after that, on your smartphone, just open the Huawei Health app. Now it will give you the option to pair your Huawei Band 10 back to your smartphone. Just select done. And on your smartphone, just select pair. Now on your smartphone, just select I have read and agreed to the above terms and select next. And as you can see, paired successfully. And this is how you can bypass the forgotten PIN on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.